This is a video by Bharat Roti machines for thickness setting. Number your adjustment level nut as shown in the video from 1 to 6. Digits 1, digit 2, digit 3, digit 4, digit 5 and digit 6. This will make it easier for you to understand which way to move the wing nut for increasing or decreasing the thickness of the plates. Once you have done this, to decrease the thickness of roti, chapati or any other Indian bread, you have to move your nut from digit 1 towards digit 6. Do this to reduce the thickness. If you want to increase the thickness, move other way round from digit 6 to digit 1. This is done equally on all 4 screws for adjusting the thickness.